Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker potato, chicken, and broccoli casserole. Alright guys, I'm starting out here on a piece of aluminum foil, and I have 2 chicken breasts I cut into big chunks. Then I'm going to season them with a little bit of salt and pepper. And Dexter's in a good mood today. Yes, Dexter. Now I'm going to go ahead and fold this up. We're going to make a little pouch to put the chicken in the pressure cooker. I'm just making little handles on the side here so we can pull it out. I'll open the top a little bit to vent it. Okay, now in my pressure cooker I have roughly about 3 pounds of red skin potatoes I cut into big chunks. I left the skins on. I washed them, of course. I'm going to add a little bit of salt in here. Probably about a teaspoon of salt. And I have a cup of water we're going to add in. And I'm rinsing the salt down over the potatoes. And I'm going to take that chicken pouch that we made and stick that right on top. I'm going to put my lid on here, make sure we're set on seal, and I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, I'm going to do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, I pulled my chicken out, I shredded up and I set it aside, and I drained my potatoes, and I put a half a stick of butter in there. I'm going to go in with the potato masher and give this a rough mash. Okay, and Dexter's all wound up because he found out I'm making chicken. Alright, and I have a 8-ounce container of sour cream. We're going to put this in. What, Dexter? I'm trying to make a video here, Dexter. Okay. I'm going to add in a half teaspoon of granulated garlic. And I'm just eyeballing. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And I should have had this ready. Sorry about that. I'm going to add in a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mash this all together quick. Okay, now before I go too far, I'm going to add some cheese to this. I'm going to add in about a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. And I got orders from Holly when I was making out our grocery list. Do not add cheese. We have to use the cheese up we have in the fridge. Because we buy it, we forget about it, and we buy more. Well, you know what that's like. So we're finally starting to get down on our supply of cheese. I'm going to add a little more cheese in. It's probably about a cup and a half of cheese. Dexter, you're going to get me more negative comments about you chatting in the background because some people don't like it. I don't understand why, but they don't. Okay, now that we have our potatoes all mashed up, I have 12 ounces of broccoli florets. It's a microwave pouch. I microwaved them for 4 minutes, and then I chopped them down into smaller bite-sized pieces. We're going to get them in there. And guys, this is looking and smelling delicious. Let me get my hands with the rinse. Alright, I don't know where I put my towel. Okay, I found it. I have 12 ounces of bacon that I crisped up in the microwave, cut up, and we're putting them in. And I'm going to add our chicken back in. Okay, now let me get a spoon to stir this around. Just want to mix everything together good. Yes, Dexter. And I'm breaking my bacon up into smaller pieces as I go and mix this together. Now guys, you could eat this as a side for like a holiday get-together meal, or you could eat it for a main course like we're doing tonight. Alright guys, this is looking good. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. Now you can always add more cheese if you like. Loaded with flavor, loaded with texture. Potatoes are creamy, chicken's tender. Get that cheese and bacon. The broccoli. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Pressure cooker potato chicken and broccoli casserole. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.